change out the belt. It's pretty simple DIY. This is one of the things Ford didn't do too smart though. You need a 3/8 socket, which you really probably want a breaker bar length. So you probably have a 1/2 inch socket wrench that's long enough, and then you have to put an adapter on it. Could have just put a 1/2 inch socket on the actual part, but that would be way too easy. And then in the counterintuitive sense, you put your wrench on tighten, and that's what loosens the adjuster here, and will allow you to pull the belt down. And then once you have, just let that go. 16mm. When you have it routed properly, it'll snug up easily. You don't have any sagging or anything that's going to slip off. Put this guard back on. And there's my little rough sketch of the routing to help remember how it goes. Sometimes you pop it off and then you go, oh, how did that work? And that is what I used. You see, it's 13/16 by 92 7/8 inches, or 20mm by 2360mm. K060923 Gates Micro V.